Hello, today we want to look at how to articulate the six favorite sound we've discussed in our previous class. But today we will be looking at how to articulate each of the sounds. So today our favorite sound or the sound of the week is So I want you to do your hand like this. Very well. Can you see the sound here? This is the sound. Now I want you to put your hand here. So let's go. Did you notice the sound? This tells you how to write this sound. You go this way, curve to the right, and then curve to the left. So you have the sound S. Now, I want you to look at these word pictures. Can you identify the sounds in the words? Look at this word here. Where is the sound S? This is it. S. Can you see another S? Yes, say it here, and here. Now, since you can identify the sound S, I want you to do something for me. Do you know what that is? Now, look at this part. I want you to circle S. Can you circle it? As this one's very well, so go. This one, no. Yes, you can see it here. Another one is here. Good. This is the sound S. Now let's try to put our hand here and draw the sound. Curve to the right and then curve to the left. See it again. Let's go. Very well. So you have the sound S as in snail, snail, saw, sun, spoon, spade. So this is how to identify the sounds in word pictures and to segment the sound to get it from other sound, and then you can see it here. So this is the sound S.